This video for concealed baseboard hitting. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. Google loves content, so you're gonna make sure you have on your homepage more than 1500 words, and as you see here you need more content. Also you need correct keywords, and the pictures need to be saved in a right way as well. So the second thing I want to talk about is a citation. And if you go to the Google, we're gonna see these Google guaranteed ads, then we're gonna see these ads here that we used to see. And now in 2020, a lot of people have ad blockers, so it's 50-50. Some people can see, some people not. And then here we see them, it's called map pack. So what is a citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow businesses owners to add their business details and services. Within there would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on these maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in. And you want to try go out and get yourself listed in there as well, but you don't want to just stop at whatever your competition has want to get or what they have, and then you want to add a little bit more, so that way you're completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And as we go here, we can see the Yelp, and we can see the expertise, and we see their home advisors here. These are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. So if you have for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link, you did some work for them and you did a good job, and they sent you a link, but their whole website's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff. It's not gonna do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's gonna be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at what's my tools here, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. And as I see here, you have 4 referring domains that brings you 12 backlinks, and you are getting found for 20 organic keywords, and out of keywords you are getting 1 person on average to your site each month. Just to show you the competitors here, one of them, see, they have 826 referring domain that brings them more than 4,200 backlinks, which is getting them found for 7,800 keywords, and out of those keywords they're getting more than 18,000 people on average to their site each month. So to boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in this. So that's pretty much it. What's all I had, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given today. if you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. Thanks again and have a great day.